How does boiling water compare to UV purification in terms of cost and effectiveness? When it comes to purifying water, you might wonder how boiling water stacks up against ultraviolet purification in terms of cost and effectiveness. Let's break it down. Boiling water is a simple method that involves heating water to a high temperature. This process effectively kills bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. It is a reliable choice, especially in survival situations. However, it does not remove chemical contaminants or dissolved solids. On the other hand, ultraviolet purification uses ultraviolet light to eliminate microorganisms. Like boiling, it does not address chemical impurities or dissolved solids. Now let's talk about cost. Boiling water is incredibly cost-effective. All you need is a heat source, like a campfire or a stove, and a container to hold the water. This makes it an ideal option when resources are limited. In contrast, ultraviolet purification systems requiring an initial investment for the equipment. You may also need to replace ultraviolet lamps periodically, which adds to the overall cost. For long-term use, boiling water is generally more affordable. When it comes to effectiveness, boiling water shines. It is highly effective against all types of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. To ensure safety, bring the water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute. If you are at high altitudes, extend that time to 3 minutes. Ultraviolet purification is effective against bacteria and viruses, but may struggle with protozoa unless the ultraviolet intensity and exposure time are just right. Additionally, ultraviolet systems requiring a power source and regular maintenance to function properly. In practical survival scenarios, boiling water is straightforward. It works well in remote areas or emergencies where specialized equipment is not available. You can simply boil water and drink it once it cools down. Ultraviolet purification is faster since it does not require cooling time, but it is best suited for situations where you have access to a power source and portable equipment. In summary, boiling water is more cost-effective and universally effective against pathogens, making it a preferred method in survival situations. Ultraviolet purification offers speed but comes with higher costs and requires more resources. Understanding these differences can help you choose the best water purification method for your needs.